Listen, darling, he doesn't need to change. You do. Yes, this is how you can actually attract the love of your life by working on your self-concept. Hi beautiful souls, I'm Ritika. Welcome to my channel, Divine Healing. Let's talk about how your self-concept can change your relationship dynamic. First, it's very important to bring awareness that your relationship reflects your self-worth story. So, what does this mean? Whatever is your relationship dynamic right now with your partner, it is because of your own self-concept. If you think you're not good enough, your partner will treat you exactly like that. If you are extremely clingy and you need constant validations from your partner, that will reflect in your relationship. You will see avoidance in your relationship. So, whatever the story is right now, it's very hard to digest. People are always busy blaming others. He's not doing this, she's not doing this, he's like that, she's like that, but no one is bringing awareness that it always starts with the self. Whatever be your self-concept, that will reflect in your story. The perfect love story that you see, that a guy and a girl having such an amazing time. You know why a guy treats a girl with princess treatment? Because the girl herself treat her like that, in mind, in soul, in body. Yes. People who are completely sure about their loved ones, partner, they don't cling. They be in their own aura, self-care, and that reflects in the relationship. So whatever be your relationship dynamic right now, remember, that's your story inside. So bring this awareness and work on your self-concept. Second, the energy that you hold is what you attract. Exactly. If you're constantly attracting toxic relationship, darling, you are toxic inside. I'm really sorry to say this because this is the truth and truth is hard. If you're constantly attracting partner who cheat on you, you don't think yourself good enough, you think that you can be cheated, you think you're not the prize in the relationship, you don't think yourself to be here. You think yourself to be below, so they choose someone else. You don't choose yourself. You don't feel that you're chosen. So they choose something else, somebody else. And toxic relationship, work on your own toxic traits because what energy you hold is what you will attract in your life. Period. 3. To change your relationship dynamic, stop seeking and just be, because you only attract what you are. So let's take an example. You're seeking validations. You're seeking love. Are you the love of your life? Do you love yourself enough? Do you pamper yourself enough? Do you check on your mental, physical, and spiritual health regularly? Do you sit with your emotion? Do you process your emotion? Are you working on your childhood traumas, childhood wounds? Are you doing it? Are you doing it? No, you're not doing it because you're relying on somebody else. Yes. So, stop seeking it from the outside. Be it. If you want to be the queen of your partner's life, the king of your partner's life, you first be it by yourself. They don't need to treat you that way. You first need to treat yourself and then they will reflect it back. People mostly busy blaming others all the time. My partner is doing this, my partner is this. But they don't want to work on themselves. It's easy to blame people, right? I know your partner is very toxic. Check on your toxic traits. Number 4, you need to change your internal narrative about love. I know you may have born and brought up in a family situation environment where love is toxic. Love is something where you need to be a giver all the time. It can happen. You can be, you can face all this situation because it's your past life karmas. You have chosen all these things. You're born in this kind of relationship, people around you. But that's your inner narrative that has been built. Conditioning, family, situation, surroundings. But when you see a reflection outside about love is hard, people are not trustable, things are so difficult in relationship, communication is difficult. All this thing is your preconditioned. Maybe you have seen your parents, your closed ones, your friends, close relatives, movies these days, all these things have conditioned you. And now that is reflecting in your relationship because your narrative is like that about love. Change that. Yes, there are beautiful couples around the world. There are beautiful love stories. And it is possible. Why? Because they have a beautiful narrative about love. Condition yourself. Recondition yourself. Change the narrative. Because the moment you will change the narrative about love, in general, not with your person, in general, if you change the narrative, it will reflect in your own love life. And you will thank me later for this. Now, before I move on to the last point, let me remind you, if you need my help in any aspect of your life, I offer life coaching, mentorship, and therapies, healings, whatever you need. You can reach out to me in this email ID flashing on your screen. Also, the details are given in description. Do check it out. If you want a 21-day transformation of your self-concept, you can buy my ebook. Details are also given in description. Do check it out. Now, last but not least, point number 5. Love will always respond to who you believe you are. Exactly. Whatever you will believe about yourself, love will respond accordingly. Your partner will respond accordingly. If you're in weak and fragile mode, your partner will respond that way. If you're in a very queen mode, your partner will respond in a similar way. If you are very what I say, the fire energy is too much, your partner will respond accordingly. Yes. Now people will be like, oh, I am so quiet and calm, I tolerate things so much, and my partner is this and that. Darling, the problem lies within you. You are not ready to face your inner demons, your shadows. Yes. You're not ready to face who you actually are. Because if you wouldn't have been this way, this belief system, you would have attracted a perfect partner that you desire. In order to attract what you desire, okay, you have to first believe that you deserve it. You have to first believe that you deserve it. You have to have this belief system about yourself that I deserve this, come on. I deserve a perfect love. I am not settling for less. I have stronger boundaries for people who provide me with less. This is what you believe. If you believe about yourself, you will eventually attract an amazing partner. And let's take an example. You have this belief and everyone who is coming around, you're rejecting or they're rejecting because it's not matching with your belief. Your standards are high. They're not being able to match it. So they're going away from you. Accept it. Your relationship mirrors your self-concept. So take an oath today, take a promise to yourself that from today onwards, I'm going to work on my self-concept. I'm going to change my relationship dynamic. Leave a comment below. I'm ready to do this. That's all for today. If you're watching me for the first time, do subscribe. I post videos that will help you to shift your mindset and solve all sorts of problems about your life. And yes, like, share this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.